Hey everyone, Thomas coming to you from MGMClassicCars.com here in Addison, Illinois. And today I have this 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle set up as a super sport car. It has a big block 454 TCI 3-speed 350 automatic trans that's been built. And we're going to go and show you the rear end, interior, engine compartment, paint, etc. I'm going to walk around the car, guys, gals, and show you just a look of the car, the stance, and then I'll move in a little bit closer. Suspension is Hotchkis all around. It's got four-wheel power disc brakes, power steering as well. Bucket seats, console car, black rally stripes, beautiful red, cranberry red paint job, big tire in the back, and obviously that's for a specific reason. We were told 600 horse, runs like a beast. Pump gas car, very nice chrome throughout the car, nice glass trim, wheel, BFGs all around. Just a nice setup. I'm gonna move in a little bit closer and share with you guys any paint defects that I can see. So let's move in and start with this fender, okay? I'm gonna point them out with my finger if I do see anything as I walk the car, okay? Nice crisp lines, body panels are original to the car, and I will definitely show you the factory GM original stampings in the trunk. Nice reflection. So this side looks great. Reflection is awesome. Chrome is good. Lenses are good. That's where you put the fuel. Check this out. Big 12. There's the rear Hotchkis setup. Nice frame underneath. Let me pop the trunk. I definitely want to show you guys that area and then those factory GM stampings, okay? Here. Nice weather stripping. Factory stampings right there on the driver's side. No patches inside whatsoever. And here's the passenger side, original stampings. And again, there are no patches as well. No rot. Super clean. Very nice Tennessee car. Definitely the right car to put this big motor in. Dual sport mirrors. Let's check out this side here if there's anything. Beautiful reflection, guys. Nice glass. Just a little dirt there. It's my big supercharged Camaro coming through. That video's next. All right. Well, there you have it. Let's check out something underneath here really quick. Look at that. You got electric cutoffs as well. Now, at one point, this tire has been caught onto this trim piece, so that's going to need some attention, okay? Look how dry it is underneath here. And solid. SS door panels. Nice inner outer jams. Nothing that stands out. Vertical trim is nice. You got the Pro Car bucket, reclined seats. SS gauges, brand new dash. Carpet is excellent. Console, back seat, 6x9s. Headliner, dome light functioning. Okay. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna fire up the car, and then I'm gonna do another walk around, guys. I want you guys to hear it from all angles. fan, guys. Can't forget that, okay? That's for the electric cutoff, and that's for the fan. Hear that now? Oh boy. Yeah, let's listen to this bad boy. Oh! Damn! Snap, crackle, pop your neck. Yeah, baby. Man, that sound just puts me in an aggressive mood. Listen to that cam. Like popcorn. He popped the hood. You guys ready? Oh yeah! What a hot rod, man. Four-wheel powered disc, powered steering, headers, big aluminum RPM intake, aluminum heads, dual fans, aluminum radiator, nice valve covers, 4-barrel carb, upgraded ignition. Woo, hey, man. Wipers work, horn is inoperable, lights work, oil pressure, water temp, volts, stereo system works. Heat and defrost function as well. All right. RPM tach functions. Flapper door works. Oh baby. Oh baby. Guys, gals, be careful. This ain't no joke. Brakes are a little hard to me, but they do work well. Pop a U-turn here. Power steering works excellent. This is one hell of a car, man. amclassiccars.com. We're located in Addison, Illinois. If you guys and gals want to come down, we're 25 minutes from Chicago O'Hare Airport, 30 minutes from Midway Airport. Or take advantage of our driveway delivery. Send over your zip code. We'll get this car out to you soon. This is not going to last, guys. Once I post this video, it will be sold in a matter of hours, possibly in a day or so. I will leave my phone number at the end, and you guys can send me over your zip code. That's that car, sorry. Send me your zip code. I'll get you a delivery quote. I do have to do a final touch-up on the car. That might take me just a couple of days. But definitely before every car ships out, we do that. If you're looking to finance the Chevelle, take a look at my website, look at my description in regards to that and how and what credit scores and the criteria. My name is Thomas. I can be reached at 847-848-1850. Thanks